Hey guys, another IPO in the technology and manufacturing industry. Any guesses about the name of the company? Well, let me give you a clue. It's a subsidiary of an engineering and manufacturing technology company which is already listed. Is it the most awaited Tata Technologies IPO that we're discussing here? Well, let's watch the video till the end to get the answer for all these questions. Well, first of all, I sincerely apologize to stretch the suspense for so long, but the IPO we are discussing here is Cyient DLM. This is a 100% subsidiary of Cyient Limited, an already listed company which is working in the engineering and manufacturing technology sector. To tell you more about Cyient DLM, its business is of manufacturing low volume electronics for safety critical segments. The company achieved a revenue of 832 crores for financial year 22-23, which is a decent 15% increase over its previous year's figures of 720 crores for financial year 21-22. While the net profits of the company saw a dip to rupees 31 crores in financial year 22-23 from a rupees 39 crores net profit in financial year 21-22. Now coming to the IPO. The size of the IPO is of 592 crores. And the company has set a price band of rupees 250 to 265 per share for the IPO. The trading in the grey market has started since the 22nd of June 2023 and the GMP as on the date of the video is around the rupees 100 mark. So I would say the GMP is not that attractive for this IPO here, but let's see how the GMP changes as the IPO comes closer. The IPO will open from 27th of June and will remain open till the 30th of June 2023. People who are looking out for listing gains should wait for some more time and assess the situation of the IPO in the grey market. You can just Google the grey market price of this IPO and you'll get the current price or the grey market price for the IPO. However, looking at the company's financials, it is evident that the company is having a steady growth while the company will also benefit from the China Plus One strategy being adopted all over the world by various businesses. For people who don't know what a China Plus One strategy is, we will make a separate video on this. But in short, it's a strategy being adopted all over the world to reduce the dependency on China. In such a scenario, Cyient DLM will really have a bright future in India. Hence, for the IPO listing gains, investors should wait and check out if it gets a good grey market price. And for people who believe in the company's financials, they can purchase it after the IPO if the share continues to trade at a discount in the grey market. But investors, it's your hard-earned money, so please do your own research as well before taking any investment decisions. Do let us know in the comment section below what are your views about this IPO, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel FinDoot. Well, this was it for today. Thank you and sayonara.